We call ourselves Christians, but true disciples of Christ are rare. A disciple is a person who is prepared to give up everything and suffer with Jesus. Discipleship may entail sacrifice of relationships, possessions, and sometimes life itself for the sake of Christ. Most Christians do not want to hear anything of that sort. Though large crowds followed Jesus, he was more interested in gleaning true disciples out of them. The demands on a disciple are great. We may have to sacrifice our affection for family or even show love towards someone who has wronged us. It is necessary to give up our personal preferences and trust God's wisdom instead. Patiently enduring suffering is essential. Perhaps it gets even more difficult when we must give up our possessions. Many Goan Christian families today are fighting among themselves for ancestral land, not to preserve or cultivate it, but to sell it. Thus, instead of being responsible stewards of God's creation, we give it out for unsustainable development, which ultimately leads to environmental destruction. Today's readings enlighten us on what it takes to be a true follower of Christ. They constitute a clarion call for a spiritual revolution in Goan society